Hey everyone, welcome back to the channel. I hope you're doing great today. Before we start this lesson, please take 1 second to like, share, and subscribe. Your support helps this channel grow, and it helps millions of English learners who need this type of content. Thank you so much. Today, I'm going to show you something powerful, something practical, something you can apply right now. How to sound natural, confident, and fluent in English in just 30 days. No magic, no perfect accent, no impossible rules. Just simple habits that transform your English. Step by step. Let's begin. Step 1. Learn phrases, not words. Day 1 to 7. If you want to sound natural, you must speak like native speakers. And native speakers don't speak with individual words. They speak with chunks, blocks, phrases. For example, beginners say, "I am very tired." Natives say, "I'm exhausted." "I'm beat." "I'm wiped out." Beginners say, "It is not possible." Natives say, "No way, impossible." You're kidding. When you learn phrases, you learn rhythm, intonation, and natural flow. Your English becomes automatic, and automatic English sounds natural. Step 2. Shadow for 5 minutes a day, day 7 to 14. Shadowing means you listen and you copy instantly. Word for word, sound for sound, emotion for emotion. Don't worry about understanding everything. The goal is to train your mouth, your ear, and your brain to work together. This is one of the fastest ways to sound natural, because you literally borrow the melody of real English speakers. Shadow movies, shadow YouTube videos, shadow this channel, shadow anything. 5 minutes a day changes everything. Step 3. Use contractions naturally, day 14 to 18. If you want to sound like a native, you must use contractions. Not, "I do not know," but, "I don't know." Not, "I am going to leave," but, "I'm gonna leave." Not, "It is not a problem," but, "It's no problem." If you avoid contractions, you sound stiff, formal, and robotic. Contractions equals natural English. Practice them every day until they become automatic. Step 4. Add emotion and melody, day 18 to 22. English is a musical language. The melody matters. The emotion matters. Beginners sound flat. "I am happy." "I am surprised." Fluent speakers sound the emotion. I'm so happy. No way. Seriously. Practice emotion. Practice exaggeration. Practice the music of English. Try this. Say really. 3 different ways: curious, shocked, annoyed. 1 word, 3 emotions. That's how natives speak. Step 5. Stop translating. Day 22 to 26. Nothing kills fluency like translation. If you translate in your head, your English will always be slow. Instead, train your brain to think in simple English units. Not, how do I translate my sentence? But, what is the easy English version of this? Say, it's okay. No worries. It's fine. 30 days of this creates a new habit in your brain. Step 6. Speak for 2 minutes a day. Day 26 to 30. This is the final step, and it's the most important. Every day, take 2 minutes. Yes, just 2 minutes. Choose a topic. Press record. Speak. Don't stop. Don't correct yourself. Don't think too much. Just speak. This trains rhythm, confidence, flow, fluency, natural communication, and at the end of 30 days, you'll be shocked at how natural you sound. The result: after 30 days, if you follow these steps, you won't sound perfect, but you will sound natural, confident, fluent, relaxed, real. You will stop sounding like a textbook and start sounding like a human being. And that is real English. If this video helped you, please like, share, and subscribe to the channel. Your support helps me create more lessons like this and helps millions of learners transform their English step by step. Thanks for watching. I'll see you in the next lesson. Until then, keep learning, keep speaking, and keep growing.